Well, everyone, today is March 10th, 2024, and as of about 3 or 4 days from now, these famous elevators are finally going to be modernized. Let's go take a look. And we might just get a ride on the famous Albert Street elevator that's always broken. Let's go see. All right, well, this is going to be the last ride on the original Charles Street elevators. This is the one by Albert Street, and for once, it's actually working. How fitting. They are going to finally modernize these elevators. And they need it bad. Here we are at 6. Back down to G. Look at that, there's the info. This is going to be the second one up to mod, but finally they're going to do something. And this one's actually working, which is shocking. So this is just one final ride. Here we are back down at G. Go up one more time here, and we'll watch the numbers. If the buttons aren't touchy. There we go. These were installed in 2001. The indicator is very ahead of itself. Here we are at 6. Last look at the original fixtures, and here is one last look at the original cab. I hope they're going to do something about this cab, because this is disgusting. And squeaky. Fans on. There's the original inspection sheet. There's the dingers. There you go. So this is the one by Albert. And we will watch it go off, assuming it goes up in a second. Yep. There it goes. Now we'll go to the one on the other side of the garage. And this is the one by Charles Street, by the alley. This is the one that's going to be first up to go. This has always been the nicer one. Although both of these have broken, so yeah. Watch out the window here. We are. Back down to G. Does that eco-disc bump. There's the sign. Back down to G. Go up one more time. This is elevator 1. This one, again, they both break, but this did the button trick again. This one has broken less. This one does not have a star on the indicator. A star on the wrong floor, albeit. 6. We're at like 4. Door close works. Same cab as the other one. This one is in, I don't know, slightly better shape, which is relative, but elevator number 1. They're going to finally get rid of these nasty green cabs. There's that inspection sheet, which has been vandalized. And we'll send this one up one floor, just to watch it. There it goes up one floor. And yeah, that's going to be it. That is a last look at the original Charles Street parking garage elevators from 2001. Let's get a picture of this. Thank you for watching. Feel free to subscribe and click like if you like what you see, and follow me on the web at isaac24.com. I'm not getting any parts off of these because they're disgusting, but I will have some update videos, so look forward to those.